Ano nga ba mas magandang biyahe? Sa araw o sa gabi? Maganda naman sa araw kasi maliwanag. Pero hindi kaya mas natututo tayo kapag madilim ang daan? Rider reflection muna tayo. There's something different about riding at night. Limited ang visibility, mas tahimik ang daan, and you don't see the whole highway, just the part your headlight touches. And life is like that. God rarely shows us the whole journey. Binibigyan niya lang tayo ng sapat na liwanag para sa dadaanan natin. Psalm 119 verse 105 says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path." Hindi floodlight, hindi rin stadium light, kundi lamp. And minsan gusto natin makita yung buong plano ng Diyos. But faith is not about seeing the whole road. It's about trusting the one who sees beyond the darkness. So nag-night ride kami, hindi naman kami tumigil kasi madilim. We just slowed down, focused, at nagtiwala kami sa ilaw namin. So maybe you're in a night season right now. Walang kasiguraduhan, tahimik, madilim. Pero don't stop. Trust God and keep moving. Kasi kahit madilim, God is still guiding. So yun, ride by faith. Dahil bawat biyahe, may mensahe.